Lower your cholesterol with these 5 homemade remedies. High cholesterol is a very common problem, affecting 42 million Americans. If you are over age 20, you should measure your cholesterol levels at least once every 5 years, so high cholesterol won't come as a surprise one day. There are many factors that can cause high cholesterol. The most common ones include the processed foods and the sedentary lifestyle, which makes our body store almost all the food that we consume on a daily basis. Many people do not take high cholesterol seriously. In fact, if your cholesterol is over 200, you should consider this serious because it can cause further complication and turn into a chronic illness. In other words, you will be more likely to experience cardiovascular problems, arteriosclerosis, coronary disease, and angina chest pain. As you can see, it is of utmost importance to protect your health as soon as possible. You will need to make significant changes in your lifestyle. The first thing you should do is changing your diet. Avoid all the processed foods and make sure that you have a low-fat diet. Another extremely important thing is to say goodbye to your sedentary lifestyle. Start to exercise, and be active. At first, maybe it will be difficult to adopt these changes, but in the end, your body will thank you. It is very important to choose an activity that you like, so you will not give up. It is up to you, but make sure to choose something that you can keep up with. In addition, we have 5 natural remedies that will effectively lower your cholesterol. Check out the recipes below. 1. Oatmeal water. Oatmeal is an excellent source of fiber. It is very beneficial for fighting cholesterol. It envelopes the cholesterol molecules, thus purify the arteries. Needed ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 12 cups of water, 1 stick of cinnamon. Directions: put the oats in the blender. Pour a sufficient amount of water and blend well. You should put the rest of the water in a large pot, add the oats and heat. Make sure to strain well. Way to consume: if you want, you can put this in the fridge and consume it up to a quart during the day. 2. Cabbage water. The effectiveness of cabbage water is due to the rich content of fiber that cabbage has. The method of preparation is very easy and simple. Needed ingredients: half head of cabbage, 12 cups of water. Utensils: a glass bottle. Directions: you should heat the water, add the cabbage, and boil for 5-10 minutes. Then, drain the liquid and store in a bottle. Place it in the fridge and consume cold. Way to consume: as in the first recipe, you can consume up to a liter a day. 3. Artichoke water. Needed ingredients: 8 cups of water, 2 artichokes. Directions: heat the water until it reaches its boiling point. Wash the artichokes and add them into the water. Let them infuse for 15 minutes. Make sure to strain well, and place it in the fridge. Way to consume: drink this throughout the day, up to 1 quart. 3. Rid the arteries of cholesterol with olive oil. Soluble fats and omega-3 can increase good cholesterol, HDL, and reduce the bad one, LDL. It is recommended to use olive oil unheated because during heating, this oil can lose its beneficial properties and compounds. The process of heating will destroy the molecular structure and transform the fat into a substance dangerous for our health. Make sure to include avocado and fish, tuna and salmon, in your diet as well. 5. Carrot and spinach juice. Needed ingredients: 3 carrots, 2 spinach leaves. Directions: you should chop the carrots into small pieces. Slice the spinach leaves and liquefy everything. If you notice that it has a thick consistency, make sure to add water. Way to consume: this juice should be consumed after each meal. Its regular consumption will effectively rid the arteries of cholesterol. As you can see, trying these remedies can help you to effectively lower the cholesterol. However, don't forget what we said before. In order to get the best results and obtain the maximum benefits of these foods, you should make some changes in your lifestyle. If you decide to start running after a year of not having any physical activity, make sure you do this gradually. In the beginning, you can't give yourself a goal of running an hour a day. The same thing applies to your diet. You can't stop eating meat from one day to the next. Eliminate foods that contain the most fat. What I'm trying to say is that it takes time to lower your cholesterol and improve your overall health.